Hi, my name is Angela. Welcome to the Man Cave Garage. It's actually my husband's channel, but technically it's both our channel. This is our 2012 Kia Soul, and the thing has 180,000 miles on it. It runs like a top. So we really want to keep it going as long as, keep it as long as we can. So it involves little repairs here and there, and that's fine. So today we want to replace the wheel well liner. We have one right here. It's, I don't know what happened, but it's torn and needs to be replaced. So this should take about 15 minutes, and let's get started. Woo! It's so much easier than doing it myself. Okay. Ta-da! All right, so now we just need to take out the old wheel well liner. It is torn up. To do that, you need a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket, and that's it. Oh my goodness. I feel like a gun would be better for this. Thanks. In the meantime, I'll use this. My socket. Oh.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh, well done. Okay. I know there's another one around here. Well, okay. I'm gonna just start them with the screwdriver and then take them out with the drill. I know it.
Wish I had a tool runner and a camera person when I was working out here.
Yeah, I bet. Thank you. Okay. Victory. And okay, so this is the wrong thing.
Behind your heel.
Oh. Whoop. Whoops. There we go. Okay. That was super simple. Uh-oh. Flathead screwdriver, sir? Ah!
So this tool slips underneath your cover in that piece.
I don't want to break the car. What about a plastic one? Would a plastic one work better? That'll work better than a plastic one? Oh my gosh. I don't know. This is kind I know you're the car guy, but oh my goodness. I don't like this. I think I might have a plastic one. So we started taking the screws and bolts out. These 3 here were metal screws and then a clip there. This one was a 10 millimeter bolt. And then we had one that is a plastic screw, but it also has a clip on it. So you would just take that partially out and then just pull it and you can get the rest of it out. And that one was up here. And then we have 2 more of those down here. We have 2 more under here. And that should be it. Then we should be ready to put the new one on. Okay. Where's your tool? Oh boy. I gotta just pull this out. This is stripped, thanks to yours truly.
Some of these little clips can be buggers.
Oh, good job. Wow.
One more there.
Okay.
And then these 2. You'll need to not put a lot of pressure on it.
Oh, don't put a lot of pressure on it.
Yeah. Just enough to keep it from spinning in the Phillips head. But
Well, I don't know if I am. Oh, it's so sensitive. This one's a girl.
let me see the screwdriver.
I'm really opposed to you having your head under the car.
It's okay, we got jack stands. I spent half my life underneath cars.
Okay. Doesn't make it right. All right, are you ready?
Nope.
Oh,
You're not out yet.
the big reveal. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
Here we go. Here's what's left of it. Wow. Yep, definitely this needed to be replaced. So get rid of that one and bring in this one over. This was really not that expensive. We got an estimate for this project from a car repair shop, and I don't remember exactly what it was, but it was somewhere between ridiculous and pretty insulting. So we said, let's just do it ourselves. And it was a good idea because it's not that difficult. This is I think this is the part number. It's called a guard assembly front wheel right hand. 86812 2K500 is the part number. So I just want to take a second to show you that this is part of the assembly, or is the assembly, that we took out from up in there. And there are 2 parts to it. There's this retainer, and then there's the plastic screw that goes in it. So when you screw it in, or we push this in, then it won't come out once the screw is in there. So to get it back in, you just want to squeeze these together so that they'll fit through that hole, just like that. It's really simple. Okay, so let's get to it. Putting this in. Oh my gosh. Okay. I feel like I'm doing something wrong, but it'll be okay. So wrong. All of a sudden it looks right. Okay, now I'm ready to put the screws and bolts back in. I'm going to start with this one up here. There's a tab up here, so the liner has to go in front of this tab. Be careful because it's pretty easy to put it behind it and then just not notice, and then you have to take the whole thing off again. There's a reason I know about that. But we don't want to talk about it. What happens in the shop stays in the shop. People say you can just push these in and they'll hold just as well, but I like to actually use the threads and just turn it in, but I'm sure you can just push it in. It's okay, whatever you want to do, it's fine. Now these clips, they're square and they go in a square hole. They're just as wide that way as they are this way. However, if you put them in this way, if you need to take them out and you have your tool, you can just slide it in like that and it will squeeze them together a little tiny bit. And they might be easier to get out. So those just go popped in like that. Like that. Yep, so you can just use the same ones that were there. No big deal. Everything's fine. And so always start the screws before you just go taking a drill to it or handheld screw gun to it, because you don't want to have them getting screwed in the line. Could strip your threads out and that would stink. Okay, and then just check them and make sure they're tight, but not super tight, because they don't have to stand a whole lot. There we go. Now we're gonna put this bolt back in. That's a 10 millimeter, and it's right here. Wait, the socket is bolt's right here. Again, just start it with your hands, and actually you can just about go all the way in by hand. And that is the easiest way to do it. Doesn't have to be super tight, just tight enough. Just tight enough. No big deal. Okay. I'm gonna put this one in. Another one of these little ones with the prongs. Super annoying. It just looks wonderful. It looks so good. I have to get the tire. Whoops. The first time. Gosh, somebody needs to wash their car more. How was that?
Wow, that was a fast outro.
We can do it again.
Yeah.